Camper vans are the perfect mixture of comfort and freedom on wheels. It all began with a simple idea, a relaxing place for family trips and weekend plans, but things have changed drastically. With the boom in technology, today's RVs are in a league of their own. We're talking AI-powered, solar-charged, space-age rigs that look like they rolled straight out of the future. So, without wasting time, let's look at the most futuristic motorhomes of 2025. Number 1. The California e-Hybrid 4Motion. Starting with Volkswagen. The brand, known for making classical camper vans, has just stepped their game up by introducing the all-new California e-Hybrid 4Motion 2025. Branded as the ideal companion for every adventure, the 4Motion is Volkswagen's first ever hybrid camper van, with a combination of electric power along with a 1.5 TSI petrol engine. This van produces a total output of 180 kilowatts. Its 19.7 kilowatt lithium-ion battery gives you around 54 miles of smooth travel, making it a perfect long drive partner. While the exterior is pleasant on the eye, the interior is a treasured collection of modern tech and gadgets. Not only that, but the furniture inside screams comfort. The front seats spin around to create a spacious lounge. The Coast and Ocean models have a small kitchenette with a single-ring gas hob, cutlery drawer, and storage module. You'll also get sliding doors on both sides for easy access and a built-in tablet for managing different features in the van. The gear shifter is on the dash, meaning you'll have more space to move through the cabin. For a good night's sleep, all models come with a raised bed in the roof. Buyers have 3 models to choose from, with the beach camper starting at £71,295. The Coast trim goes for £78,495, while the top-of-the-line Ocean model is priced at £85,395. Pretty wild, right? So would you take this high-tech camper for a spin if you could? Number 2. Stella Vita. Imagine driving 730 kilometers without stopping. Yeah, your tank's happy, but your wallet's definitely feeling it. That is unless you're driving a Stella Vita, the world's first solar-powered camper van that requires no fuel, no charging stations, and no emissions. Designed and built by a group of genius students from the Netherlands, Stella Vita features a 60-kilowatt battery that charges courtesy of the solar panels covering its roof. When parked, the roof extends, increasing interior height and revealing extra solar panels for maximum energy intake. But the real deal about the Stella Vita isn't its futuristic exterior, it's what's packed inside. Its interior is all about cozy, functional living for 2. There's a comfortable sleeping area that's made for 2, a fully functional kitchen featuring an induction cooktop and sink, and even a shower and toilet, so you don't need to worry about your hygiene even if you're miles away from your home. You can easily run your business or stay on top of work from the folding tables and built-in workspace, complete with USB ports to keep all your devices charged and ready to go. Number 3. GAC Van Life Concept. Let's talk about something straight out of space. Chinese automaker GAC presented its van life concept at the 2023 Milan Design Week, an autonomous all-terrain and zero-emission vehicle that could easily fit in a sci-fi movie. GAC claimed that this go-anywhere vehicle was designed for long journeys as an affordable alternative to air travel. The GAC van life concept features futuristic, one-box proportions with full-width LEDs on both ends, massive wheels, and high ground clearance. Its sleek body and small windows provide an off-world expedition appearance. Additionally, its high-tech features include retractable tire flaps and 4 LiDAR sensors that enable autonomous driving. The autonomous mode even uses fictional star-based navigation, so it works anywhere on Earth. The concept is based on a fully electric platform with solid-state batteries, promising a long range and even lower environmental impact, as many of its components are crafted from recycled waste materials such as plastic, aluminium, and carbon fiber. Inside, it's all about flexibility. It features 2 front seats and a massive space at the back for storing luggage and equipment, which can also be converted into a comfortable sleeping area when needed. The orbital frame around the cabin lets you hang or mount anything from phones to hammocks. Access to the cabin comes through the side-mounted suicide doors and a panoramic sunroof to keep the cabin bright. Its sliding benches create a seating area adjacent to the vehicle, expanding the living area to the outdoors. While this beast of a camper isn't rolling off the production line just yet, it's definitely part of GAC's vision for the future. Number 4. The Hymer Venture S. To keep the van life craze moving, we have Hymer's all-new solar-powered Venture S, now hitting the market after years in the making. Hymer is a German company converting Mercedes Sprinter chassis into a van life 2-person van. The Hymer Venture S isn't just about looks and luxury, it's built to perform. On the outside, it's sitting on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 base, rugged Raptor paint, and honeycomb graphics that give it a unique look. This beast's made to go off-grid, with 3 115-watt solar panels on the pop-up roof powering a smart 320 ampere-hour lithium battery so you can stay charged wherever the road takes you. Inside, this vehicle looks more like a mini apartment than a van. It features an all-wheel drive along with studded tires. There's a pop-up sleep loft with a mattress you can adjust using an app, huge windows for those epic morning views, and a bathroom that literally transforms to give you a full-size shower. Not only that, but it can also easily convert into an office space. An integrated desk lies flat on the side wall behind the passenger seat. Pulling it out creates a workstation with a skylight directly overhead. A fold-out awning allows for outdoor enjoyment without direct sunlight baking you during the day. And how can you not talk about its fully functional kitchen that features a 2-burner stove, sink, a hidden chopping board that expands the cooking space, and storage boxes to hold provisions and utensils? But this home on wheels doesn't come cheap. It's a luxury ride with a price tag to match, starting at around $225,000. But when you take all the things it offers into account, it's clear this vehicle takes van life to a whole new level. Number 5. AC Futures AITH. At the 2024 Consumer Electric Show, AC Future, a startup with Irvine, California, shared the final design of its flagship product, a solar electric RV called the AI Transformable Home, or AITH for short. Fast forward to CES 2025, it is a fully built, multi-expanding prototype attempting to win over outdoorsmen and women with 400 square feet of luxury. According to the company, its mission is to ignite a revolution in sustainable living by crafting innovation, transformable homes that seamlessly blend modern design, eco-conscious principles, and cutting-edge AI technologies. AC Future partnered up with Hydra Design Labs to design the interior and exterior of the RV. Hydra also provided CAD surfacing, Class A surfacing, color and trim design services, and UI/UX design. AC Future describes the vehicle as an all-electric RV that transforms into a spacious off-grid living space for modern digital nomads. It boasts dual slide-outs on each side and a rear extension. This innovative design extends the interior space when parked, creating a roomy and luxurious environment that blends smart tech with high-end style. The minimalist cockpit is as much a part of a home as possible, and even more so than what you might get in any of today's RVs, with the passenger side designed to substitute for a home office. The layout is unlike any other camper van we've discussed in this video. The smaller slide-out includes a functional kitchen setup featuring an induction stove, an oversized fridge, generous counter space, a freestanding island with a sink, storage, and a built-in breakfast bar. The larger slide-out holds a pair of opposing bench seats and becomes a flex space at camp. It can be used as a dining room, lounge, or even a second bedroom, all according to your needs. The bathroom is located in the middle of the RV and can be described as residential thanks to a large walk-in shower, a toilet, a sink with vanity and more storage, and even a laundry station. The main bedroom sits in the rear extension, featuring a panoramic window and plenty of space to walk around. These are about all the specifics revealed about the AITH at this time. And to be honest, I'm sold. That's it for our tour of the coolest, most futuristic camper vans out there. What do you think? If you could pick just one of these futuristic motorhomes, which one would you take off the grid? Let us know in the comments below. If you've seen this video to the end, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any future updates.